This is a 10 room hotel, a 10 room hotel with some other little rooms that are maybe guest rooms. Like those other rooms, they are attached to this hotel. So we are chiseling now. Later on, we'll be doing the piping of the half conduit. You can see this high roof, so it's going to be half conduit instead of the full conduit because it has an high roof. Later during the wiring, somebody is going to be inside the ceiling while somebody will be down here wiring the house. So you can see now I'm chiseling. So I'm doing this chiseling manually. Originally, if I have the tools now, I'll be using my chiseling machine. But since I don't have that now, I'll be using manual process. This provision here is for socket. This provision here is for socket. This place is a reception. This is where the receptionist is going to be. This is going to be where the receptionist will be. You can see we just finished some chiseling here. Look at this wall bracket. Modern wall bracket now. We have 4. 1 here, 1 there, then 2 those way. This one is switch for light here. We are going to use this as a socket. It's not a switch, this is a socket. Or maybe when there's a television here for the receptionist here. Why? That's going to be a switch for this place. Then switch for the AC, rotator switch for the AC. While here we're going to have a socket all over here. Socket is going to be controlling everything that the receptionist will be using here. That socket is going to be for the fridge. Here, going to be the socket for the fridge here. You can see we are still working on it now. Thank you. That's the hotel. I'm outside now, very far from the building, so I can be able to get a clearer view of the complete building. Let me just walk close to it so you can see. You can see this is the entrance. So you see, we are still undergoing the process of chiseling. We are undergoing this chiseling process. You can see. So that's the receptionist. That's the reception. The place for the receptionist. This is the kitchen. This is going to be the kitchen. So you can see we are working now. You can see it's a long hotel. It's a long building, a very long building down there. We are working now. So that's it. Later on I'll come up with some other updates of the job. Okay, this is the reverse tech, and that's the surrounding light there. Surrounding light. Today I was going to come up with the aftermath of the work. The work is still in progress, but you can see for yourself. Those are switches I talked about. One switch, another switch, and that one is for AC. It's going to be controlling the AC over here. If we have a standing AC there, it's going to be controlling that standing AC. But if we have alternatively, we are going to have a split unit, then it's going to be up here. The split unit will be up here. If it's going to be a split unit, but it's under probability. So we are looking forward to use this one because this place is the receptionist, or the reception rather, for the hotel. This one is for earth or for generator, provision for earth or generator. You can see the work is in progress. And we are doing a very neat job here. That's for TV. The socket by the left there is for TV, while this one here is for socket for the plasma, and this one is also for socket. You can use it to connect your antenna, that is the Go TV, decoder, or whichever one you want to use. So you can see this is the switch. So the work is in progress.
back entry. We use this place for a back entry. I said that yesterday. Okay, this is the socket I said about. We talked about one socket here. Then so that was all sockets. They are going to be useful to the receptionist over here. Okay, this one is for our cooker socket. Where we have this single here. 50 lamps will be 50 amps, right? This one is usually 30 lamps. So the work is really in progress. This is the back entry. This is the long hall. The long walkway. This is a switch. Right, this is a walkway light. That's a walkway light. This is a room. This is also a room. This is also a room. You can see there's a switch along it. That is bed switch, AC switch, and bed socket. Bed switch, AC switch, and socket. So same pattern also. Same pattern down there. Same thing. You can see what we see. Progress here. We see progress here. Same thing all the way down. Same thing. This is 18 ways distribution board. 18 ways distribution board. We're going to be controlling some parts of this building where there's an 8-way distribution board there. There's a walkway. While this one here is another switch. This switch, that other switch, and the one down there, they are all going to be controlling it. You can turn it on there, walk towards this area, turn it off, or walk towards that area and turn it off. Either ways, you can always turn it on or off anywhere. You don't have to walk down or up to turn it on. You can see. Still in progress. Still in progress. That's why you usually hear me say we don't talk the walk, we walk the talk. You can see the work is really in progress. I have one of my colleagues here walking past this. Collins Electrical.
Yeah.
Collins Electrical. What do you have to say to this to my little fans for this work? What do you have to
Like and comment and share. Also share.
Like
in case you don't know how to do it.
Okay.
But the work is going on.
Okay.
Everything is very well.
Yeah.
So please like and share.
Okay, thank you very much. That's my colleague. Engineer Collins. So you can see this plastering. He was the one who handled all this plastering. You can see here. He's the one who handled all this plastering. During this, we usually call it shocking. You can see. So all the way down. It's about 10 rooms. Okay, this is the last walkway. Yet to be in position. This is the last walkway. There's another room over here. Yet to be completed. You can see yet to be completed. This one has been completed already. This one has been completed. Where we have the last distribution board here. This is the last distribution board. And this is a switch. This switch is also going to be controlling the lights that is here. This switch is going to be controlling it. So you can turn it on here, walk down here, turn it off. You don't have to come back here to turn it on. This is the last walkway actually. This is the last walkway. So we have about 4 walkway down this hall. So these are the rooms I was talking about. That I said we have about 5 rooms for guests. This one is they built this one in form of a guest house. While this one down here in form of a hotel. So this is a hotel where we have 5 rooms for guests. Guest house, rooms. This is it. So this is the job. can deliver very fast and reliable. Thank you. The vehicle first said we are looking white right now. We are looking white, like white. That's my colleague over there.